Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Manika Beverly. If you like all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, you're in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Welcome back. Today I am so excited. I'm going to be unboxing my Venus et Fleur arrangement. Honestly, I had my eye on this arrangement for so long. I have to get my hands on this arrangement. We look at the same one every time. Finally, it was time to just go ahead and grab it. Also, I have some really exciting news on the way, so it just was the perfect time. You just are trying to add some vibes, aesthetic to your home. This is the way you want to go. Again, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also, thumbs up these videos. That's great feedback for me. That lets me know you enjoy these type of videos, unboxings and such. Also, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Yay! She's here. I gotta stand up because it's so big. It came in this huge box. It's literally blocking my face. Honestly, when it came, I was even more excited. The bigger the box, the more excited you are. Am I wrong? I don't think I'm wrong. And I'm literally opening it up the first time on camera. I took the tape off just to save time. But, she is so cute, you guys. So literally, it's just so big. And I'm a very tiny person, so I'm gonna do my best. Look at that. How perfect. So that's literally what you see secured in there, okay? Like, she is secure. Okay. Let's, a lot going on here. Oh yeah, we're kind of in a different arrangement. Sorry, like I said, great news on the way. So in the meantime, this is our setup, okay? It's gonna pay off, it's gonna pay off. All right, so the first thing is you get is this beautiful card. When you open the box, it says Venus et Fleur. Fleur, okay? Fleur is flowers in French, and the original eternity roses, which is very true. When we first saw those roses that last in everyone's homes, they were like the original brand. So I always wanted to get my hands on one of their arrangements, and I just felt like it was a perfect time to do that. So yeah, it comes with this little card. Connect with us on Instagram, and literally it has their new collection right there on the front. So we are unboxing this beauty. I'm trying to pull her out. Literally, she's like strapped in there. I'm glad that I waited, honestly, because this collection is just literally everything. Just trying to get all this packaging off. It came so secure. It's literally a mix of tape and bubble wrap. It's like my dream bouquet. Perfect. It's called the Terre Travertine Vase. As you can see, the vase is just this beautiful aesthetic. I was in Cabo, and literally the bathrooms that I went to, there were like travertine sinks and just the vibe in there. So definitely when I saw this, just reminded me of being right back in Cabo. I just love the texture. So let's go ahead and pull out the card. Look at this beautiful card. Their logo on the front. There we go, Venus et Fleur. There's nothing on the card. I guess if you're gifting it to someone, you can go ahead and write a special note in there. So that's really sweet, but I ain't gifting this to nobody. It's for me. Okay? The aroma is just so amazing. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh flowers? And also, I feel like why this is a great option. They last up to a year, even longer, as long as you take care of them. Also, I feel like the part we hate about flowers and bouquets is that they die. You have to always go out and replace them, especially when you have the perfect bouquet and you don't want to change anything and you have to go out and recreate that again. Of course, it can be fun and nice, but you know when you get that perfect arrangement and you wish it can last forever? Here we go. Here's the perfect arrangement that literally lasts forever, like stunning. It doesn't get better than that. So let's get into the details. Travertine vase. You definitely see the influence in home decor. Like I said, with the pandemic, people just kind of want to feel comfortable at home. They want to feel like they're at an oasis. They're on a vacation because we weren't able to basically leave the country. So it really kind of affected trends when it came to home decor. You're seeing just a lot of texture, a lot of like nude and calming zen type colors. They're calling it modern organic. You're seeing kind of woods and travertine and texture, and it's just so pretty. I feel like it just creates this really relaxing vibe. I literally feel like I'm on vacation. Got it in the color seashell. So it has a variety of flowers. This comes with white Calla lilies, white dianthus, blush dianthus, pearl white roses, and pearl white hydrangeas. As you can see, it's just this beautiful pearl type of white. How perfect is this? She is just gorgeous. Honestly, this is one of the prettiest arrangements I've ever seen, like ever. It's just gonna be vibes. I just cannot wait to put her out. My idea for this is I plan on putting her either on the credenza, or you know what's really in right now is kind of like the center entryway table. As soon as you come in, your guests who enter your home, they just see this right away. I feel like that's the perfect spot for it. Also kind of in the living room, maybe on the coffee table. But I feel like I just want to like hit you with it, you know? So as soon as guests walk in my home, I just want my guests to smell the beautiful aroma of the flowers, and also just, you know, make a statement upon your guests entering your home. So I feel like for me, that's the perfect spot for it. And yeah, you can keep it for yourself. You can give it as a gift, birthdays, obviously, graduations. I haven't seen anyone who's gotten flowers who's upset about it. So everyone pretty much loves flowers. I feel like they're always a great gift, even to yourself. It has 115 eternity flowers in a one-of-a-kind vessel, hand-carved from a single block of travertine. Our mixed Calla lilies make a beautiful centerpiece, capturing the element of earth, symbolizing strength and peace. When I just see this arrangement, I just feel calm, zen and calm, and just relax. I love beautiful things. A variety of assortments and arrangements. You can get hydrangeas, you can get gardenias, you can get lilies. You can literally customize your bouquet. They're always coming out with new and updated collections to keep up with the current home decor trends. Like these roses. These are honestly one of the prettiest roses I've ever seen. The smell is just divine. Something about the smell of roses just makes you feel just elegant and perfect and clean and just updated, classy. I don't know, just the smell of flowers in general. I love how the label is gold. I feel like that adds some nice contrast to the vase and makes like a bold statement. Beige just feels like rich, kind of cream texture, stone. I just can't wait to place her somewhere. If I could pick flowers that match my personality, it's literally this bouquet. Like this bouquet and my personality are one. Whether it's for you or you're gifting it to someone else, you can literally customize your bouquet to match your personality, complement your home decor. They have such a variety, and that's what I love about them. And I feel like they just were the original brand to just offer the kind of eternity rose and flowers. The original is the best, you know? If I'm not mistaken, like 26 different rose colors, 3 different type of gardenias, 2 different type of hydrangeas. You even have the option of mixing the gardenias and hydrangeas. Also 2 different type of calla lilies, and the packaging. They offer so many different options in packaging and colors and vases, and it's just like, I love that they really have grown their brand to kind of complementing the customer. Like I think they even have a line from customers' favorites that they also do. Aesthetic and the vibes that you're gonna get when people come into your home, they're gonna be like, okay. I feel like that's why I want to place it on an entryway table or a credenza, because usually that's foyer or the entry of the home. I just want to make a statement when my guests come, like, yeah, vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like when your guests come in your home, you want to make a statement. So I feel like just this front and center, that's personally where I will be placing it. We have vases out of sandstone and marble. They also have the demi vase, the Gia vase. They have just such a variety of actual vases you can go ahead and then place your assortment into, and I just literally haven't seen a more perfect assortment. So these are really low maintenance. I think that's my favorite part. Honestly, it's so simple and so easy. Less is more. The flowers are treated with like a wax-like substance, which allows them to stay alive for up to a year, even longer depending on care. Also, it preserves the smell of the flowers. Doesn't damage the flowers at all. It actually preserves the flowers. So you will be getting this aroma all year long, and you don't want to place it in direct sunlight. Also, do not water these at all. Water can actually damage it. There's no way you can actually take it out of here because it's like built in. You don't want to try and put this in a different phase, or it basically comes how you want it. It comes as is, and you leave it alone. Literally, your job is to leave this alone. Less is more. You don't have to water them. You don't have to be putting in plant food. It doesn't get any better than that. These flowers last up to a year. if maybe even longer. You don't have to do anything to them. Less is more. Do not just, they're for viewing purposes only. Okay, they're for you to admire them. Everything has been done for you prior when it comes to packaging, sorting, arrangement. It's all done. Leave it alone. Put it where you want to put it. Move it around. See where you like it. Other than that, she's good to go. She is perfect. She is ready to go. They have locations in Jersey, New York, LA, Pennsylvania. So you can go ahead and go to the storefront. They actually opened a storefront nearby me. So I was just in there. I think they opened it a little before Valentine's Day too. Like I said, when I saw this collection, I was sold. Birthday, graduation, Mother's Day. They ship same day if you're in those locations, and also they ship worldwide. I just kind of wanted to show you my beautiful new flowers that are just perfect. They are divine. Just so excited. Honestly, it's a really special time for me and my fiance. This arrangement is going to have a beautiful place to be. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Again, thumbs up these videos if you enjoy these unboxings. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!